Michael at FABS coming at you from Countertop Kings. This is Moonshine. She is one of my 3 children. We backpack and hike, so her trail name is Chubbs. She is going to be doing this video with us. Say hi, Moonshine. We sell our remnants. We sell builder grade remnants, levels 1, 2, 3 at $25 a square foot, which is a great discount. We sell our upper level remnants and our quartz remnants at $40 a square foot. So you may have an $80 a square foot stone that you get for $40 a square foot. So it's a really good deal. The thing you have to remember about remnants is it's 15 square foot. We were inside at our upper level remnants, and our air compressor is there. I'm sure you heard that, and I just don't know that I can talk over that damn thing without a mic or something on. And we're trying out our new phone on this one, so we're not using the mic. This is our builder grade, our level 1, 2, and 3 remnants. Those are people blowing at us just because we're so sexy out here. But anyway, like I was saying, remnants are 15 square foot or less. Where the problem comes is the customer will come in and they'll say, yeah, I'm looking for a remnant to do my kitchen. I'm like, what? Yeah, do you think we could do my kitchen in remnants? Well, hell no. That's not what remnants are for. Remnants are 15 square foot or less. They was like, well, couldn't you take 3 or 4 remnants and make a kitchen? Well, no. Then I got to seam it together, and I'm going to charge you $150 every seam I do. So you'll be cheaper just buying a slab, plus I'm not going to do it that way. Anyways, people will always, they'll come in with a freaking island that's the size of a slab drawing. Like, can you do this in a remnant? No! Remnants are 15 square foot or less. At Aspen, you only got the option to use remnants for a vanity or a small top if you bought a kitchen at full price. I'm nice enough to do remnants for just any customer. Any customer can get a remnant. You can come in with 1 bathroom and you can get a remnant for it. But don't come in with a bathroom that's 130 inches long by 30 inches wide and say you want a remnant for it, because I'm not going to do that. Also, the thing about remnants are if it's available. A remnant is something that's already been cut, and it's over here in the remnant area outside, or it's at my upper level remnant area inside. A remnant is not something that you come in and pick out a slab and ask me to cut it off for you. That is not a remnant. Also, you know when you go into Lowe's and they have a scratch and dent area. You know, they have a wash machine that's regular $1,500 and it's on sale for $900 because it's got a little dent down here in the corner. Well, you're not going to buy that and then call and say, hey, I've got a little dent here in the corner of my washer that I got in a scratch and dent. Because that's why you got it that cheap. Remnants are scratch and dent in granite. If it has a little scratch or a little dent in it and you got it at remnants price, guess what? You got a little scratch or a dent in it, and I'm not coming to fix it because that's why you got it at a remnant price. People need to understand you don't get super great discounts on stuff and then get it treated like the premium stuff. That's just how it is. That being said, I'm not going to sell you something that's broke as a remnant and expect you to keep it. You're still going to get the highest quality. You're still going to get the best material. You're still going to get everything we can do to give you the best job possible. But it's up to you as a customer to look over that remnant and see if there's something that you can't live with on it. Because I'm not going to replace it because it's a remnant. This right here is a remnant. It's a New Caledonia remnant. I tell my salespeople all the time, you need to go outside and make sure there's enough material to get this remnant out of. They don't do it. So they get to call the customer and tell them, hey, I sold you a stone we don't have. Why a customer would pick out something they haven't seen in a remnant rack, I don't know. But this is a piece of New Caledonia here. This is the top for it, as you can see. It does fit on here. I don't see that it says backsplash, so it will work for that remnant. And that's a remnant right there. You know, it's maybe 3-4 square foot. It's got a little black spot in it. They'll just have to live with that. You know, all these out here are remnants. Like this one over here, for example. Come on, Moonshine. This birthmark Luna Pearl right here. It's got this big birthmark spot on it. This is a remnant. If you bought this stone for this piece, guess what? It's going to have part of that spot on it. And you need to know that when you buy it. This Esmeralda white right here. It's got these little calcium spots on it. If you get a top made out of this, it's probably going to have those little calcium spots on it. It's a remnant. That's what you get. If you want a piece without the calcium spots on it, you need to pay full price for a slab so that I can cut in an area that doesn't have any calcium deposits on it. So, you know, just please understand that I'm giving you remnants at a super cheap price. You can get a top like this for $100 or $125 plus a trip charge. Whereas if you went any other place and paid full price, you're looking at $400 or $500 for this. So you're getting a great deal, so please don't make us regret giving you a great deal. And that, but you have the few that don't. I've got one guy who every time he comes and gets a job from me, he got a kitchen, he'll be like, hey, I've got a really small kitchen, it's about 40 square feet, can we get it out of remnants? No. Why not? You've done it before. No, I haven't. Well, another guy did it for me before. Well, call him. He's not in business no more. Probably because he did kitchens out of remnants. You know? So, anyway, remnants, 15 square foot or less, $25 a square foot for levels 1, 2, 3. $40 a square foot for levels 4 and up. Plus trip charge, and then of course if you get any sinks or anything like that, it's extra. But you'll never get a better deal anywhere else on granite than you will here in the Remnants. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.